Hello everyone, my name is Venusian Calliope, and today I'm going to be doing a basic color theory lesson on glitter eyeshadow. So let's start with what I usually use white eyeshadows for. Now, when it comes to glittery eyeshadows, usually I use darker colors or colors that match it, but in this case I am using Ice Cold, Prom Night, Edward, and Immortal is both on the white and black swatches that I use on this one. But honestly, Edward is probably the sparkliest shade of them all. But the reason why I use white for these lighter shades for the most part is because it doesn't drown out the actual color underneath it. So yeah, it just looks nice and it's more cohesive if you do it like that. But anyway, this is blacks versus natural colors, the colors that go with it. Now I have the Cullens layered on Irrevocably and in black, and then I have this glitter elf eyeshadow from the Cookies and Dream eyeshadow palette on Irrevocably and in black. It's that really nice blue-green shade, and Lion and Lamb is layered over the black, 17 and Impossibly Fast, and Irresistible is layered over black and white. Now, a lot of these shades that sound like Twilight quotes actually come from the Twilight Eyeshadow Palette. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I just make financial decisions that I don't regret at all. It's just, it was a choice, but I mean, I liked it. But yeah, no, I like the way that Irresistible is just gray. It's a true gray. I have it on top of the original black and the white, and this is a black eyeshadow from the Twilight palette that I layered over a regular black eyeliner. As you can see, it's a glittery black that's kind of similar to Edward, but it's the glitter is more muted, and I don't know, I like Edward a lot. It's just nice. Now this is actually me putting Immortals on this pink and orange shade eyeshadow shade that I liked, just to show that, hey, you can put colors together even if they don't exactly match, but it looks nice. You just have to make it work for you and have fun while doing makeup. And this is this week's video, and if you like this video, thank you so much. And if you're already subscribed, ring that bell for me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!